Dear students, it is entrepreneurship of class 11th. Last day, I told you that the process of project formulation, it is being divided into different stages. At that very time, I told you that the different stages which are involved in the project formulation or the business plan are general information, project description, market potential, capital costs, and source of finance, assessment of working capital. Then sixth is other financial aspects. So project formulation also involves other financial aspects. So these other financial aspects, they are very much important so far as the projected profit is concerned. In projected profit or the profitability of the project, we have to see the profit and loss account, and in profit and loss account we mention the sales revenue, cost of production, allied cost, and then the profit should be prepared. So in this project formulation, balance sheet and cash flow statement, it also should be prepared to indicate the financial position and requirement at various stages of the project. Project needs the finance at every stage. So in that context, keeping this in view, we need the financial aspects mentioned at different stages of this project. I had told you that this project report, it should mention the break even analysis also. What is break even analysis? It is the level of production or sales where the industrial enterprise shall earn neither profit nor incur loss. So it is a situation where there is no profit, there is no loss. It is known as break even analysis. This break even analysis or the break even, it is a point, break even point. It is calculated by F over S minus V multiplied by 100. It is fixed cost over sales projected minus variable cost multiplied by 100. So this is the formula in which we can calculate the break even point. Break even point आपको जानना चाहिए क्या है ये? एक ऐसी सिचुएशन जहां एक कंपनी, एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, एक इंटरप्रीनियर सपोज करता है कि मेरे हाँ न प्रॉफिट है और न लॉस है. This point shows that at what percentage of sales the enterprise will break even. यानी सेल्स की क्या परसेंटेज होगी जिस पॉइंट पर ब्रेक इवन एनालिसिस होगा, जिस पॉइंट पर हम ये कंसिडर करेंगे कि हमारे यहाँ न प्रॉफिट है और न लॉस है. दिस इज द पॉइंट, दिस इज द कैटेगरी mentioned in formulation of project report where it is included in other financial aspects. And then seventh, it is economic and social variables. These are also important so far as the formulation of project report is concerned. Dear students, you know that in view of the social responsibility of the business, यानी बिजनेस जो है इसकी कुछ समाजी जिम्मेदारियां भी होती हैं. जैसे द कॉस्ट ऑफ फॉर कंट्रोलिंग द एनवायरमेंटल डैमेज, यानी अगर कहीं पे एनवायरमेंट को कोई नुकसान पहुंच रहा है तो किस कीमत पर हो रहा है, क्यों हो रहा है. इट शुड ऑल्सो बी स्टेटेड इन द प्रोजेक्ट. यानी प्रोजेक्ट में ये भी लिखना पड़ता है, ये भी मेंशन करना पड़ता है कि प्रोजेक्ट हमारे इस प्रोजेक्ट से इसके ज़रिए किस हद तक एनवायरनमेंट को डैमेज होता है, क्योंकि हमारी क्या है, ये हमारी सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है. सो डिफरेंट दीज ट्रीटमेंट्स, different treatments to safeguard or to save the environment, they are to be mentioned in the report. Besides that, the socio-economic benefits, these are also mentioned in this project report. For example, employment generation, कि हमारा प्रोजेक्ट जो है इससे कितने लोगों को रोज़गार मिलेगा. इम्पोर्ट सब्स्टिट्यूशन, यानी ये जो है अब बाहर से जो चीज़ें आती हैं उसका सब्स्टिट्यूट क्या हमारे पास है, या एक्सपोर्ट्स, local resource utilization, development of the area, all these things they are mentioned in as economic, socio-economic benefits. They are to be mentioned in every project report. Then there is project implementation. Now we have formulated our project, and the last stage, the most important stage in project formulation is that now we have to implement the project. So this implementation scheme or timetable, it is a timetable for the project, for his project, to ensure the timely completion of all activities involved in setting up an enterprise. यानी अब हमें एक मुद्दत के दौरान, एक वक़्त के दौरान अपने प्रोजेक्ट को इंश्योर करना है कि हमारी प्रोजेक्ट जो है, हमारा प्रोजेक्ट जो है, ये इसमें तमाम एक्टिविटीज़ जो हमने इससे वाबस्ता रखी हैं, इससे अटैच की हैं, वो इम्प्लीमेंट हो जाएंगी. We will ensure in that very case that there will be no delay to activate our project. We see that in India mostly there is a delay in the project implementation, although the projects are being prepared at the proper time, but their implementation gets delayed. So it should be mentioned while formulation of a project that how it is to be implemented, when it is to be implemented. For this project report, in this implementation process, we have to mention different things: formulation of project report, application for term loan sanctions, provision of land, construction of building, getting power and water, placing order for machinery, receipt and installation of machinery, manpower recruitment, trial production, commencement of commercial production. So these are different things which are being these simplified or mentioned in the implementation schedule of the project. These are the implementation schedule. So I think this is enough for today, that what are the different categories for the implementation of a project report. Thanks.